Bonjour everyone! It's not like you can understand Voltaire after one French lesson, right? So, let's learn how to say that you don't understand something. The most basic way of expressing this is to say Pardon, mais je ne comprends pas. I'm sorry, but I don't understand. Sometimes people will speak too fast and you will have to ask them to repeat. Pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît? Or ask them to slow down. Pouvez-vous parler plus lentement s'il vous plaît? That will help. It's also likely that you will need to ask someone how something is written. Comment ça s'écrit? Keep trying and don't give up. We really don't like hearing Je ne parle pas français. I don't speak French. And remember, it's okay to ask for help. We've all been there. Take some more Lingoda lessons so you can keep improving your French.